Opisyal nang inilunsad ang Florography Art Exhibit noong February 8 sa SM City, Baguio. Kasabay ng pagdiriwang ng National Arts Month at panagbanga ngayong Pebrero, binuksan ang art exhibit na may konseptong Florography o ang Language of Flowers sa SM City, Baguio. Sa halip na sa kalsada lang makita ang mga bulaklak, dinala ng Pasa Calle Group of Artists ang ganda ng panagbanga sa pamamagitan ng pagpapakita ng kanilang husay sa kanilang mga
So
obra.
what we have here today is what we entitled Florography. And this is about the language for flowers. We are featuring 47 artists at this time and who have translated the secret grammar of love, of petals, the stems, the scents, lahat na ng parts ng flowers, or the hues, the colors that get into words that speak to us about longing, about joy, about memory, even apology and hope.
Isa-isa ding nagpakilala ang mga pintor na kasama sa exhibit.
Bayong Tuginay, and my artworks are Waves of Bloom on Sunflower and Everlasting Flower.
Everyone po, I am Betty Binayan. My painting title is The Convent Harvest.
About flowers blooming, so anything that the artist can express kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng florography sa kanila, which is about flowers, and yun ang nilabas dito sa artworks natin.
Blooming with you!
Bawat isa sa mga pintor ay may dalang kwento sa bawat simbolo at kulay na kanilang ipininta.
Broken pieces siya, pero ang ano niya is parang turning your pain into power to make yourself better. Pag sa human,
Nagpahayag naman ng pasasalamat ang ibang mga artist na nabigyan sila ng pagkakataong maging bahagi ng nasabing exhibit.
Being an artist, I feel belong. Being an artist, whatever team, flowersman or that's what we do as an artist. We try our best to come up with our best idea and put it on a canvas.
Oh my God, I'm so happy, like super excited because it's my dream to put painting in here in SM. I was like, before I was not painting, and then pag napapadaan ako, ang daming paintings na nakasabi ko, I wish one day I could put my paintings up there so I could share it to everyone. And then now it's in here and I'm really proud of myself and I'm so happy. Thank you.
Sa kolaborasyon ng SM at Pasa Calle Group of Artists, layunin ng month-long exhibit na ipakita ang lalim ng kultura ng Cordillera sa kanilang mga obra. Pinibigyan nito ng pagkakataon ang mga lokal na artist na maipakita ang kanilang galing at talento.
Your works reflect our culture and tradition, most especially to the unique spirit of the Cordillera. Behind every artwork is effort, passion, and dedication.
Inaanyayahan ng publiko, lalo na ang mga art lovers, na bisitahin at suportahan ang exhibit na bukas hanggang February 28. Maxine Nicolas, nagbabalita para sa Herald Express.